OnePlus Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro will arrive together, and we know the latter will run on Snapdragon 8 Elite. However, the former will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, as confirmed by a Geekbench listing. The phone was benchmarked with the model number PKG110, and its results are in line with those of other phones with the same chipset, including the CPH2645, which is the OnePlus 13R, the same phone but with a different name and Google Play services. The scorecard reveals a 16GB RAM option and Android 15. The OnePlus Ace 5 will have ColorOS 15 on top, as devices in China run the Oppo interface. The OnePlus Ace 5 is rumored to have flat 6.78-inch screen with an LTPO AMOLED panel and 1260p resolution. We expect 3 cameras on the back, 50MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro or depth sensor. It should look similar to its predecessor, Ace 3, but with a flat frame, as is the current trend in smartphones.